Understanding Cosmic Order, a guide to English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll explore the intriguing phrase, cosmic order. This concept might sound vast and complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Understanding such phrases is not just about language, it's about culture and perspective too. Let's dive in and discover what cosmic order means and how you can use it in your English conversations. Cosmic order refers to the idea that the universe has a certain arrangement or system that is consistent and orderly. The word cosmic relates to the universe or cosmos, encompassing everything in existence. Order, in this context, suggests a harmonious or systematic arrangement. Together, cosmic order implies a belief or understanding that the universe follows specific laws and patterns, creating a sense of harmony and balance. This concept is often used in philosophical, spiritual, and scientific discussions. To understand cosmic order better, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. In philosophy, a speaker might say, the ancient philosophers often pondered the nature of the cosmic order. 2. In a science context, you might hear, astronomers study the stars to understand the cosmic order of our galaxy. 3. In everyday conversation, someone might use it metaphorically. Even in the chaos of daily life, there's a certain cosmic order that keeps things balanced. Notice how the phrase can be used literally or metaphorically, depending on the context. Cosmic order isn't just a scientific term. It carries cultural and philosophical weight. It's often associated with ideas of destiny, fate, and the interconnectedness of the universe. In many cultures, this concept is linked to spirituality and the belief in a higher power or design. Understanding this can add depth to your English conversations, especially when discussing topics related to life, the universe, and our place in it. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating concept of cosmic order and enriched your understanding of the English language. Remember, language learning is also about exploring new ideas and perspectives. Keep curious, and don't hesitate to delve into such intriguing phrases. Until next time, happy learning, and may you find your own harmony in the cosmic order of language learning.